Hey guys, I've had a couple of questions about the do-it-yourself learning. So I thought I would show you a couple of things that I would consider appropriate. One of the things, and if you go to menu, you can go to professional learning, but I actually just typed in search for anything. So when I pulled up search for anything, I typed in the words do-it-yourself. What shows up in my collection is resources and a do-it-yourself learning. Um, when it comes open, this one has 6 items in it, and these are primarily, well, we've got force and motion, human body, a lot of options here, and they're web seminars. So think of it in terms of it's a way that you're going to go and learn information on your own. So it is a do-it-yourself approach. You can add these to your library. Another thing that you can end up doing, that's the same spot, but if you go to search NSTA and choose interactive, that's another way of you are doing the work and discovering it yourself. Another option is going to professional learning, and either any of these online courses, web seminars, these are going to be helpful. You don't have to do them. I just want you to be aware of the ones that are out there. So if you find something here, if you end up scrolling down to, well, the bottom of the page down here where you have any of these professional learning opportunities, virtual, latest resources, any of those are acceptable for the do-it-yourself learning section. I hope that helps, and I'm sorry that there was any confusion.